What's up, my Rose Gang? It's the Lulu Boy 2012. I'm back again. So, we're roasting for today is Nature Cat. You know, I know I am a fan of the intro, but during the opening intro, when his family went away, and then when he's speaking, he's trying to be Nature Cat without his parents around at his home. So I have no words to say right now. So please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Are you ready? Let's start the video, shall we? Warning, this video is a comedy and violence. Do not watch this video. It's not for kids. Let's start the roast video. Fred the House Cat? What the hell? Bro, I'm gonna roast you, bro. Why are you so damn yellow? Hell nah. And bro, your nose, it's so big as hell, bigger than my ass. And bro, why is your nose shaped like a turnip? Hell nah.
My family leaves for the day. I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. I become
Who the hell? How the hell can you wear clothes when your parents not around? How the hell can you be Nature Cat? Bro, this almost looking like fake ass Secret Life of Pets right now. Since speaking of owners, when owners left their houses, leave their pets in the houses, they speak. And bro, in this show, when Nature Cat's parents left, he wears clothes and he become Nature Cat. And bro, I guess his real name's Fred the House Cat.
more extraordinaire!
Bro, what are you running? Bro, how the hell can a cat make adventures? Hell nah.
Tally-ho!
Bro, who the hell are you? Are you fake ass Odie from Garfield looking ass boy? Since we're about to roast this dumbass rabbit and that tiny ass mouse, let's start with that rabbit guy. Bitch, you look like fake ass White from Alice in Wonderland looking ass. Oh hell nah. And you right over there, you look like fake ass Jerry the mouse from Tom and Jerry looking ass. Oh hell nah. How the hell can you fly, bitch? You ain't Superman. Hell nah. Climbing at the trees now? What the hell? You ain't Tarzan. Swinging through the breeze now? How come your friends didn't fall? Ew, why do you step on mud? Hell nah, that's disgusting. A cat in the nature? What the hell? Why is he friends with bee? I have no idea. It looks like there's a group of butterflies. Hell nah. Bro, why do you ride the roller coaster in outer space? How come you didn't lose oxygen? All of you. Hell nah. Bro, you're just making fake rocket roller coaster ride? Hell nah, I can see your feet. Speaking of animals, this is fake ass Hoppers from Disney and Pixar looking ass. A movie named Hoppers from Disney Pixar looking ass. Hell nah.
We're so excited.
Who the hell can allow you guys ride on birds? This is those birds looking like fake ass migration birds looking ass from Illumination Entertainment. Hell nah. If you don't return these birds back to Illumination and Universal Pictures, bro. Seriously, having friends in the nature, huh? Bro, I said a while ago that it is like fake ass Hoppers looking ass. How the hell can you ride on a water that it's really that dangerous? How come I have no idea what's gonna happen here? Bro, how the hell can you guys enter in a damn cave? Bro, seriously spying on a butterfly? That butterfly looks like the... I have no idea about this butterfly. Hell nah. Bro, butterfly, why are you sipping sunflower from Plants vs. Zombies? If you don't return that sunflower back to Plants vs. Zombies right now. How the hell can a cat climb on a damn wall? That's not fair. Hell nah. How the hell can you tie your rope on almost near to your ass to that your friends will climb also? Bro, what the hell? Why are you guys floating in the air? You don't have wings. Hell nah. Bro, and then you don't get injured once you fell off in the bushes. Damn, what the hell? He got covered in mud. How the hell you guys didn't get drowned from the dumbass wave water? Hell nah. Tally ho, stop. You keep on repeating that in your intro. So I'm gonna get out of here. Till next time. Get scorched.